equation of a line using the point gradient formula. So if we're given a point and a gradient, we can find the equation of a line. We can also use it if we're given just 2 points as well. So the formula we're going to use is y minus y1 equals m outside of x minus x1. And the only things we need to put in is y1, m, and x1, because y and x are the variables in the equation of a line. So let's do an example. Looking at, if we have a gradient of minus 2 and going through the point 0, 4. So we're after the equation of the line that meets these conditions. So we can use our formula where this is going to be x1 and this is going to be y1. So we're going to have y minus y1, well that's 4, equals our gradient, which is minus 2 outside of x minus x1, which is 0. Y minus 4 equals minus 2. Well, x minus 0 is just x. And then now let's add 4 to both sides of the equation to put it in y equals mx plus c form. So minus 2x plus 4 is minus 2x plus 4, because they're not like terms. So this becomes our equation of the line that meets these conditions. So it has a gradient of minus 2, which we can see. And if you sub in the point 0, 4, the equation will hold true. So you can see subbing in x is 0, minus 2 times 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, as expected for y. Let's have a look at an example if you're given 2 points only. So we've got minus 1, 3, and 3, 6, and we're after the equation of the line that goes through both of these points. Now, in order to do this, first we need the gradient formula, where m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Because once we have the gradient, we can use it along with any one of these points of our choosing. Let's go ahead and find that gradient first. So we'll use this as x1 and y1, and this is x2 and y2. So it's y2, which is 6, minus y1, which is 3, over x2, which is 3, minus x1, which is minus 1. So we've got to be careful there, including the double negative. So our m is going to be 6 minus 3 is 3, and 3 minus minus 1 is 3 plus 1, which is 4. So now we have the gradient of the line that would join these 2 points, and we can use that gradient along with any one of these points. We're going to use this one because it's already labelled with x1 and y1. So we're going to use y minus y1 equals m outside of x minus x1. So it's y minus y1, which is 3, equals m, our gradient, which is 3 over 4, times x minus x1, which is minus 1. So we've got y minus 3 equals 3 over 4, outside of x minus minus 1 becomes plus 1. So let's expand the bracket. So 3 over 4 times x is just 3 over 4x. 3 over 4 times x, and 3 over 4 times 1 is just 3 over 4. We can add 3 to both sides to put it in y equals mx plus c form. So we get y equals 3 over 4x plus 15 over 4.